Machiegni kwa Ramogi pau Tuke, Kenya dhi bedo weg pacho e tuke mag tennis mong'ere kaka Women World Tennis Tour e kinde tarik 14 nyaka tarik 28 dweni e pau Tuke makaren. Maromo jotugo 45 mag tennis biro yuoro. Moko kuom pinje mabiro yuoro tukego gin kaachiel gi Kenya, USA, India, Switzerland, Germany, France, Serbia, Croatia, Denmark, Italy, Ireland, Japan, Nigeria, Australia, Israel, Algeria, Tanzania, Ingereza, North Macedonia kod pinje mamoko. Jotugo auchiel ma Kenya biro bede tukego magin kaachiel gi jaloch mar Wimbledon Angela Okutoi. Kane oloso gi jofwambo, Okutoi nonyiso geno maduong' ma en godo motelo ne tugo mare mokwongo maduong' matimore e pacho kae.
I just want to thank Rentworks for sponsoring this tournament. Thank you. And I also like to thank Karen Country Club for allowing us to use their facility to play the tournament. And also Tennis Kenya for actually organizing this tournament. I know it was a lot for them to organize this in a very little time. It's a wonderful thing that I'll be able to participate in this tournament, W15 here at Karen Country Club. Since the year began, this is my first time to play here in Kenya, in Nairobi.